All right, so as of now, C Will does not have traits. We're waiting on for the new projects to drop, and you'll have different verses and things. But here we go. A collection of NFTs by YouTube personality and artist C Will. Be on the lookout for unlockable content. Press play. Join the Passive Income Network Discord server, and that's here. But check this out, y'all. Algorand. Algorand. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income, talking about the stock market, online business, and cryptocurrency. What's good, y'all? Thanks for tapping in. Make sure you leave a comment below and say what's good back. All right, on this video, we'll be talking about NFT standards on the Algorand blockchain. We'll also be covering the best places to mint and sell NFTs. Let's go in, y'all. Let's go in. First thing we want to do is to talk to y'all about traits, right? Traits. This is something that is the new standard in the ARC 69. This is a little bit more technical. I'm not going to go in really technical. What I am going to do is just go and show y'all examples here on the interwebs. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go to the NFT Explorer. This is where it goes down. This is where you can update your information on your NFTs. And I'm not talking about like your website. I'm not talking about the image or the video of your NFT. I'm talking about the traits and some of the data. So shout out to the NFT Explorer team. Here, I want to show y'all really rich flamingos. Big shout out to Fractitious. We got a song dropping today. Okay, so make sure y'all go check that out on Spotify. Follow me on Twitter if you already haven't. All right, so really rich flamingos, perfect example. Check this out. To the left side of my screen here, filters, right? They have different bodies, necks, mouths. These are traits that you could do to make your NFTs more exclusive, more interactive, more exciting, okay? So I'm gonna click on a few. We got a kazoo mouth. How many of those got the kazoo too? All right, you see how it's filtering down? We're gonna grab a RF really rich flamingo necktie. Oh, so that combination is not there. Boom, right here. So two unique ones, four unique ones. We got a blue Python R neck, and the mouth is a kazoo. These four pop up. Very exciting, y'all. It's kind of crazy. So what you do is if you own these NFTs, for example, click on here. If you own this NFT, it allows you to edit the traits here, as I showed you. So again, we got the unit name, we have the total 101, we have the mint date, the creator ID, the current owner of it, and the last price sold. And what they do is give you a rarity score, backgrounds. So 3.5% have this wallpaper 4 background, which is this here. Bodies, gold, metal, SR, 3.2% have this trait. That's the gold body here. Blue Python R neck here. Eyes, yellow, you see? The mouth, kazoo, that's a kazoo mouth. And then a hat, the butterfly hat, fire. So for these NFT creators out here, for the artists like myself, we can add different attributes to our NFTs, giving them rarity scores and whatnot. So again, high roaches, the same thing. Backgrounds, the head, the shoes, the glasses, the bag, and you can see them in here, y'all. Okay. I'll go to Rand Gallery. Some of the biggest NFT creators here, I like to use Algorand, definitely has the same thing. So what this means on Rand Gallery, after you update your NFTs on the NFT Explorer, for example, you let's again click high roaches, and then it will have edit traits will pop up. You click edit traits, okay? And then you can go in and edit these traits. I can't officially edit this trait and submit it because I don't own this trait. What I mean by that is when you submit the data, right? Make sure y'all read through. Make sure you're using the correct manager address in your ALGO wallet. When submitting the changes and creating the transaction, if you are not the correct manager of the NFT, the ARC69 changes will not apply. Okay. Please verify the asset modification transaction preview in the ALGO. as you are ultimately responsible for anything that happens to your asset, right? NFT Explorer will not be held accountable for any unexpected changes. Here's the updated with the JSON, all the information there. And what you would do after you add traits, so you can add, you can minus, you can do all these different things there. Then you would submit the data, and then it would ask you to connect, and then you would verify and go through the process. Again, I can't do this one because I don't own this NFT, okay? But I definitely have updated, and I will update my NFTs here. So this, the Algorand has the traits. You can see them, you can filter through. Let's go to a naked. There's only 3 naked right here, right? And they're all very expensive. So that's a thing that you can do. Very, very, very exciting. And then here, check out my NFTs here and make sure that we got the sound on. We got the sound, share the sound, okay? All right, so as of now, C Will does not have traits. We're waiting on for the new projects to drop, and you'll have different verses and things. But here we go. A collection of NFTs by YouTube personality and artist C Will. Be on the lookout for unlockable content. Press play. Join the Passive Income Network Discord server, and that's here. But check this out, y'all. Algorand. See the crypto, a digital face, 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it, bank account by Algorand, large amount. So that's one of my NFTs there. These are music NFTs. So I'm gonna have different traits. And this is Escape to Why. So I'm talking about traits of verses, traits of hooks, full songs, different type of CD covers and artwork. Look out for it, y'all. It's about to be crazy. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna move over here. I wanna read this. So the other day I write, anyone got any details on the ALGO NFT stamps? I tagged Rand Gallery, shout out to Crocken. But he says, first off, I recommend checking the NFT app. That's exactly what I did. Then they have the statistic pages. Did I show y'all that? Algorand ASA NFT statistics, okay? So total live ASAs, all data is in NFT Explorer. So we got images is the main type, right? And then we got image JPEG. So most of them are image JPEGs. Yeah, it seems. I'm one of the few people that like to do videos. So they got Darkroom, ARC. The ARC is a different type of standard. So you got the ARC3 is the one that's JSON based. This is a little bit more technical, but what it shows you is that it does not have traits, essentially. And then the ARC69 definitely have traits. Okay, and here's the highest sales. 2 of them were Algorandas, and then a lot of them are Algorandas and so forth, right? So here's the sales volume. Definitely spiked in November of this week, 28th, and it is kind of going down a little bit flatline. So this is another, again, very useful tool, okay? So then if you want to go into deeper details, Rand Gallery Crocken says the ARC standard is backwards and forwards compatible, meaning you can add traits to your existing music NFTs, IG songwriters, musicians, and producers. So what we're gonna do is click AR69. We have the specifications, there's a guide and tools. So if y'all type in arc69.com, you can get a plethora of information. We're gonna click that here. It takes you to github.com. This is a portal for developers or people that are trying to understand. And as you can see the people who contributed down here. So community Algorand standard asset parameters, conventions for digital media tokens, okay? A lot of good information here. Read through, talks about JSONs. I read these things for education and I spit it back to y'all very simple. But if you want to follow up what I did read, where I get this information from, it is right here, okay? So what we're gonna do now is talk about some of the galleries. Again, Rand Gallery, I just showed you Rand Gallery. Now I'm gonna show you Darkroom. This is Darkroom. Make this a little smaller for y'all. Darkroom, all of these sites seems to have different type of art. Meow, that's dope. When they got live auctions here on this one, you can buy, mint, sell, royalties, smart NFTs, all on here. And then we have AB2 Gallery. This is where I started at, was on AB2 Gallery. There may be some delays with the service at the time. It must be doing some updates. But AB2 Gallery is a very, very easy place to mint and sell NFTs. Then we have a more higher end one, I guess, right? Is Find Your Treasure on Zest Bloom. Similar to Rand Gallery, you can do a lot of different things. I'm gonna click audio. So these are some audio NFTs, I guess, here. Auctions, very interesting. Videos, okay. Very interesting. So you got to sign up, looks like a more centralized account. Then we have ALGO gems. It's in this beta, it's a new one. You can earn gems on Yearly. So you can trade, create, and collect NFTs. And this one also has built-in royalty system, just like AB2 Gallery, just like Darkroom, okay? And then it looks like Rand Gallery is starting to implement royalties as well. You know what I'm saying? So just wanted to put that again on your radar here. Oh shit. Okay. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to put that on y'all radar, you know, because this NFT space on Algorand in particular is growing and it is changing. And I want to keep y'all informed, keep myself informed. And I appreciate all the ones who DM'd me, Loaf Pickle and them, who sent information to me so that I can pour it back out onto y'all. Again, C Will with the Passive Income Network. I am gone. Algorand. See the crypto, a digital face, 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it, bank account by Algorand, large amounts.